बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 13. We are going to start with math, page number 9. We will learn to write 6 today. We will draw a circle like this. A circle and then a slanted line like this. Again I am going to write this one 6. Children, do the same practice of 6 in the classwork. What comes between? What comes between 3 and 5 क्या आता है? 3 और 5 के दरमियान में क्या आता है? 1 2 3 4 5. What comes between 3 and 5? 4. We will write 4 over here. A standing line, a slipping line, and then again a standing line. Write 1 to 6 over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Children, do the same practice in the homework. Thank you. साथ ही